There's an old saying that opposing trial attorneys can never agree on the same set of facts. You want to know why the best trial attorneys in New York are ones who actually do agree on a certain set of facts? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some really cool information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. So now, you would think that opposing attorneys can never agree on anything. The sky is blue. No, the sky is red. The sky is white. No, the sky is black. What time is it? It's 12 p.m. No, it's 12 a.m. Opposing attorneys will often have conflicting versions of what the facts really are. So why is it that you will find that the best trial attorneys in New York, opponents, actually do come to a conclusion when trying a case about what the facts are? Well, here's the reality. The reality is that many facts in a lawsuit are actually undisputed. Many times, the attorneys can actually agree on the sequence that leads up to the critical issue in the case. Many times, the attorneys can reach an agreement about what the facts are after the critical issue in the case. So then, it's narrowed down. We have a set of facts that's agreed upon, and now we narrow down those facts to which are not agreed upon. And now, those set of disputed facts represent the exact issue that the jury will need to resolve. So, for example, in a medical malpractice case, one of the key issues is whether the doctor was careless, whether he violated the basic standards of medical care. Now, the patient might have been seen for 2 or 3 years, but that's not all in dispute. It might be only one day, on one visit, or one particular surgical procedure, or something that happened during a surgery that now gets narrowed down and narrowed down until the jury only has to focus on a clear set of facts that are disputed. That's why I say that the best trial attorneys in New York will often agree on many of the facts in the case. But there will always be a set of disputed facts that now require the jury to ultimately reach a conclusion about whether we are more likely right than wrong. And if they find that we are, now the jury will then have to answer the question of how much compensation the injured patient, the injured victim, is to receive as a result of this wrongdoing. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you a little insight into what goes on in these civil lawsuits here in the state of New York. I recognize and I acknowledge you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need to be answered first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I answer questions just like yours every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.